Hey friends, welcome back to iamXshay. Seeing this error in DaVinci Resolve? Yep, that one. Here's the fastest fix that you will get back to smooth editing. Let's fix it under a minute. First click Update Configuration when the warning pops up. Now go to Memory and GPU. You can see on the top there is Memory and GPU. While checking on Memory and GPU, you can see GPU configuration. Under the GPU configuration, you need to uncheck GPU processing mode as well as GPU selection mode. Once that's done, select your graphics card from the list. Mine is NVIDIA, and also there is OpenCL that you don't need to change anything. Then click on Save. Once it's saved, you need to restart the PC, or otherwise you can just simply open the app again. DaVinci Resolve I'm just opening again and checking whether I'm able to load. It's loading and working well for me. So why this error? So this error means DaVinci Resolve is trying to use CUDA, which is NVIDIA's technology for faster image processing, but your current driver doesn't support this latest version, that is CUDA 12.8. So Resolve falls back to OpenCL, which is slower and not optimized for NVIDIA cards. That's why your performance drop or you see lag while rendering.
If this video saved your time, and help me out by liking and subscribing to iamXshay, and drop a comment if you're still stuck. Catch you on the next one. Thank you.